up in a Farrin. Hear me talk. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Hear me talk. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Big up every yard, y'all, Yaadman. Stepping on the street, clock, Jordan. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin.
What's up, beautiful people? You know, it's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another episode of Yaadman Up in a Farrin. I just thought I'd give you guys a bonus clip, you know, because I have a whole lot of clips lying around of different places. So I just say, you know what, let me just put together a bonus clip today and just show it to you guys. All right, and who knows, you might get another bonus clip. Just stay tuned. All right, so right now we're currently in Miami, Florida, guys. Miami, Florida. And where you're looking at right now over there, where you can see those high-rise, that's Sunny Isles Beach, a beautiful place, guys. So yeah, it's a bonus clip, as I said. Miami, Florida right now. We're gonna go over to Miguel the Grill King. You don't know, aka Bronco. We're gonna show you a little clip with Bronco. You don't know, I grill up some chicken and thing. And then I'm gonna show you another little part of me in Staten Island, like in the community. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So, Yaadman chicken,
real jerk chicken, not the one where them bun up in the hole and full it with black pepper and tell you say a jerk chicken.
When I smell
this is the real shit right here.
What?
Yo. The only thing missing from this thing what I do right now is if you have the pimento.
Yeah.
You know what I use the word there, the pimento wood.
Yeah. Yeah.
The pimento sticks or whatever, what they use as coal. If you have that, that's the only thing that's missing. But I do my best, and so far, this is the most closest you can get to an authentic jerk pan way that's in a yard.
Yo, and the things smell good in your
kick
brother.
off your nose, man. It's a kick like Jet Li, man.
Yo,
see?
mad thing. Real
Not
jerk
like when you go to a restaurant, all them do a bake it in the oven and full it with black pepper.
Yeah.
Until you say a jerk chicken.
Yeah. I don't know what bridge is that, but I know it's a bridge. So if you're new to my channel, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. And to my subscribers, guys, I just want to tell you this: the vlogs are coming. Yo, the vlog them are comes in. All right, yo, we plan for us to take on the streets and do the vlog thing, and you don't know. So the vlog thing are kind of been new to me. I mean, I have a whole lot of videos that I record and stuff, you know, when me a travel or any little thing I always I record, but you know the vlogging thing now is a total different new thing. You get what me I say? But me I go just go out there, be myself and have some fun and record it, you know what I say? So as usual, guys, whenever I drop the vlog them, I just ask you for show me the same love, the same type of support on the vlog them, alright? And as usual, you know say yo, you can always comment, alright? So whether you're, you know, give me some critique or yeah, big me up, or you just show your appreciation for the video, just drop something in the comment section, guys, and you know some always like a respond, alright? Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.
Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Yaadman up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin.